y'all, welcome back to our channel. So I wanted to give you guys another quick fall recipe. Since it is soup / chili season, we're going to do a quick chili here today. This is going to be a very quick video. Since the last soup video was quick and this one was short, I wanted to give you guys two this week. So we have some tomato paste here, some marinara sauce, some sauteed corn, some crushed red tomatoes, a large green pepper, a sweet onion, some chili powder, Mrs. Dash, some sea salt, and some garlic. We have all our veggies cut up here, and we're going to get them into this pot and saute them. We're going to let them cook down for about a good 5 to 8 minutes before we add our meat into them. Alright, so they're looking pretty good. And we put some butter in here with that as well. So now we're going to get our meat in here with our veggies and get it cooked up. So now that our ground turkey is done, we're going to go ahead and add in our crushed red tomatoes and our tomato paste. There's our corn. Each time I add something new to the pot, I try to give it a quick stir to make sure everything is evenly distributed throughout the dish. Here's our marinara sauce that we're going to add in. And we're also going to fill this same jar back up with water and then pour that in the pot as well. We almost done. I told y'all this one was quick, but it's so delicious when you make your chili this way. So there's the water that we have, and we're just pouring it in there. And there are our beans, Mrs. Dash, chili powder, sea salt, sugar, some minced garlic, some ground cumin, and cinnamon. I did add a hint of cinnamon in there. All the measurements, ingredients will be in the description box, okay? And that's it. There's our chili, okay? You're just going to let it cook and simmer for however long you would like. We paired our chili with cheese and sour cream. Some people just like sugar and cracker. But if you've never tried it with cheese and sour cream, you really have to, because I didn't used to eat my chili like this before I got married. And once I did, now I can't go back to not having it with cheese and sour cream. Here is our chili. Okay, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I appreciate you guys for coming to our channel each and every time you do. Like this video, subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Share the information of our channel with any and everyone you know that will love it. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see y'all in our next video.